Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Today I'm coming to you from my kitchen today because I'm sharing my favorite smoothie recipe that's going to support your immune system, hair, skin, and nails, and your gut health, which is linked to so many things. And the main component or main ingredient in that is my prebiotic powder by Prebiotics. Thanks to them for collaborating with me on this video and post. So the post is going to be like revolving around that. It is so important, and I'm going to kind of explain the difference between prebiotics and probiotics and why you need both of them. So let's jump into it. Okay, so first of all, probiotics is something you probably already heard of and hopefully that you take daily. It's super important for so many things in your health. Your immune system starts there, and your gut is also known as the second brain. It controls and helps and supports so many things in your body. So I really encourage you to look up gut health and see how it can help you. It benefits everyone to take a probiotic, and even our girls take them. It's just something we do not skip on. But with that being said, probiotics work better when you take a prebiotic with it. So prebiotics are kind of like the fertilizer to the probiotic. They help them work better. So by taking a prebiotic to help support your body, you are helping support your digestive system, immune system, digestive tract, healthy weight management, energy levels, brain function, and mental clarity. Those things are so important, right? So if we can support them, and I can do anything to help myself and my family with any of those things, I'm going to do it. I've totally noticed a difference in my body, my energy. I take the Better Body probiotic. That also helps with weight management. There are just so many benefits. It's important to take prebiotics along with your probiotics because our diets are never going to be perfect. And even if they are perfect, they're not perfect because our soil is not the same. The way produce and everything is grown is not the same. And so we just need some additional support here and there. So by taking a prebiotic, you can also be helping support your cortisol levels, aka where your stress is, supporting your nutrient absorption, prevent overeating, and then in turn helping with weight management, supporting your gut bacteria to naturally support your immune system, like I mentioned before. So there's tons of benefits. Probiotics is just a brand that I've used for years, literally 4 to 5 years now. So it's a brand I trust. They use the best ingredients, and with their probiotics, they have this patent, I think it's patent, but it's where the probiotic doesn't die off and the bacteria doesn't die off on the way down, and it makes it all the way to your gut so that all of that healthy bacteria is getting down to where it needs to be. So this is the prebiotic, and I love this because it is gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and they use real ingredients. Nothing is artificial or synthetic. So this promotes the maintenance of good bacteria while supporting healthy digestion, weight management, and metabolism. Things I've already mentioned. Just see if there's anything else that I wanted to add from the container here. But basically you just mix 1 scoop of this into whatever you're mixing it into. So like a smoothie like I'm going to do, you can also put it in just water or a drink. So this is the prebiotic, and it comes in a pretty good size container, and then you can see it in there. This is the scoop, and it's not much a scoop. It's really quite small, so it's not like you have to add, there we go. So it's not like you have to add a ton of this, and I just add 1 scoop to my smoothie. So now I'm going to show you how I make my smoothie. Cold found it helpful. Let me know what your smoothie recipe is in the comments below. I love adding new ingredients to mine and making it even better. If you have any questions on high probiotics, let me know. There will be a link to shop in the description. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye.